description.
Hello, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Yeah, I'm kind of hot and sweaty. Just did a walk, got back, had everything prepped, and away we go. The first one will only take a couple minutes. This is Ottogi. Notice this is not Ottogi, the newly branded stuff for the United States. This is Ppushu. I'm guessing it's Ppushu. The double P makes me think it's a hard B or a soft P. So like Ppushu. And this is Tteokbokki flavor. Yeah. A lot of double consonants going on today. So what is it? You don't cook it. You crush it, you add the sprinkle, spank, and shake it up, and there you go. Crazy, huh? I figured I'd do it in this. So how do we do it? Yeah, remember when you were a kid? Were you a kid? Maybe. But here's our crushed. That's pretty good. Now we're going to add in the powder-based sachet. It's not too hard to find. It's Korean. But we're kind of showing you the way it's done. But usually you do it in a bag. Kind of like if you were a kid and you didn't feel like you felt kind of lazy. There you go. There's your Ppushu. So there you go. We're going to sample it and do things to it. So let us sample and then do things. God, it's so freaking humid. I don't know if you can see the lighting over there, but it's also there's a lot of junk in the air from wildfires. Wildflowers. Here's a nugget. That's good. I like that. I do. How do I garnish it? That's all I can think. So, we'll garnish it. Trail mix. Didn't cut it low enough, but this is the snack club. There we go. Now we will mix that mixture, and I think we're good to go. Oh, that shouldn't be melted. Nothing should be melted. Okay. All right. Now we will add the mixture into the bowl. Are you excited? As I am. And there is your mixture. Who likes a mixture? I like a mixture. It's pretty good. Sweet, spicy, and then we have this. Raisins. So there you go. You'd be surprised. There are many. Uh-oh. Oh. many instant noodle snacks from around the globe that work exactly like that. There are ones that I used to call leisure meatballs that were little tiny ones, and they just, they're like little chunks. Not horrible. Are they good for you? They're incredibly good for you, so just think on that. So you ask, well, now what? Now what do we do? That was weird. Now we're going to get weirder? I don't know. This is Nongshim Pho noodle, rice noodle hot. So we're going to try that on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans Ramen, wishing you enjoy your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.